In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking tasks, or simply trying to keep your workload arranged neatly, indenting can help make your data more readable and organized. Let's dive right into the process. To start, you need to select the row that you want to indent. This can be done simply by clicking on the row number located on the far left of your sheet. By selecting the entire row, you ensure that the indent action is applied uniformly to all the entries within that row. This makes it easier for you to manage your data with greater precision and clarity, especially when you're dealing with a spreadsheet that has multiple layers of information. Now, when it comes to indenting the row, Smartsheet provides you with a few different methods to accomplish this, depending on your preference and the tools available to you. Let's explore these options one by one. The first, and perhaps the most straightforward method, is using the toolbar. After selecting your row, look to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see an indent button represented by a right arrow. Simply click on this indent button, and voila! Your row is now indented. This method is incredibly intuitive, especially if you prefer using your mouse to navigate through Smartsheet. However, if you're someone who enjoys working with keyboard shortcuts and would like to speed up your workflow, Smartsheet has got you covered. For Windows users, you can indent a row by pressing Ctrl and the right square bracket, which looks like Ctrl+. It's a quick and efficient way to manage spreadsheets without having to move your hands away from the keyboard. For our friends using Macs, the process is much the same. Simply press Command and the right square bracket, Command plus Geschiss. These shortcuts can become second nature with just a bit of practice and can significantly enhance your productivity. Lastly, if neither the toolbar nor keyboard shortcuts are your cup of tea, you can also use the right-click menu. This can be done by right-clicking on the row number of the row you wish to indent. Once the menu appears, you'll see an option that says Indent Row. Click on that, and just like that, your row is indented. This option is particularly useful if you prefer using your mouse for more precise control, or if you're making multiple changes across different rows. Each of these methods has its own benefits, so feel free to experiment with them to see which one best suits your style of working. By knowing multiple ways to achieve the same result, you'll have more flexibility in how you approach organizing your Smartsheet projects, making your experience smoother and more tailored to your needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.